where the ball is. The ball's up there.
Oh, shoot, he saw me.
He's there. Watch.
I know, he likes the peanut butter, but
Don't move.
He doesn't go in the bag far enough.
Watch.
No, but he stays.
Ooh. Did you get him? Don't pick it up. We have to put something heavy on it.
He's outside the bowl. He's right
Oh
there.
my god, what do I do?
Stop. It's okay. It's okay.
Wait, what do I do? Is he in there?
Get away, get out the door. Let me get out the door. He's in there.
I got it on video.
He's in there. Now we know if you see another one. See if the bag's moving. I mean, he's in there. Because it weighted. I felt weight on it.
It wasn't just the peanut butter weight?
See him? See, and the bag's moving.
It is?
I don't think there's any air. I mean, I don't think there's any breeze, is it? Look, it's moving. Is there a breeze out there? See it?
Not that much of a breeze, though.
Should I go out and dump it out?
No. No, there's something in there. Here he is! He's gone. He's gonna try to come back in. Look, he's trying to come back in. Oh, he's trying to come back in.
Does it?
Oh my god, he's trying to come back in. If it gets in, I swear to God, I'm calling the freaking manager of this place.
I'm holding it. It's not. These can squeeze through anything.
I know.
That's why the screen door's open. The screen door's open like this much. Okay.
God, he's trying to run back in. He would have ran back in if we had the door open.